Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key. Let's choose restart and tap restart again. Wait until the Samsung logo pops up again and then you have to start holding volume down. So it is now. Let's keep holding volume down key through the whole time. Keep holding volume down. And now you may release volume down. As you can see, the device is in safe mode, so now you can use your desired mode, or you can simply quit it by pressing power key again and by choosing restart one more time. And now the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see, the device is in normal mode, so now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.